Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Valentina hearts.
Valentina.
Valentina.
Okay, let's have a close-up first. This is a happy place, right? Cozy
Bear bedroom.
Yeah, with two exclusive packets.
Open it.
Yeah, let's have a close-up first. Everybody want to look at the package. Okay, it's now your turn to open it. Yeah, actually we do a little trick. We cut the tape already. That's why it's easy for you to open
Hey,
it.
don't say that.
Yeah, because we want to save time.
Yeah, I don't want my dad to help me.
Who is your dad?
I don't want to show you.
You see your face in a package. You see?
Hi. Hey, help me! I'm inside the box. I can't unbox myself.
You are the happy place Patkins.
I am not a packet. I'm a girl.
And your name is?
we can put the heart inside the box. I want to do that now. Her back of her hair is so pretty.
Yeah.
Like, we don't want to lost the heart. Like, we have to put it in the box. Like, oh, finally, I want to put it in the box for safety. Does not fit in this. It fits like this. Look
Well,
at
I can
this.
see we still have a lot of Shopkins at the back.
Like
Yeah.
this is also Lego. My
Yeah,
mom
that's
is
Lego.
gonna help. This is also Lego Shopkins. This is Lego box Shopkins.
Oh, you got a Barbie
Barbie
dress.
Barbie Hello Kitty dress. That's
Doozy.
Doozy. That's a Shopkins box. And that's a Moana.
Hey, how about this one? We forgot. We need to open it now. Ready?
You distract me.
I'm sorry about that. Well, toys are always a distraction. We have so many toys. How come?
I don't know. Cause somebody buy it to me.
You love pink? How come girls love pinks? How come girls love pink?
Because pink is girls' color, does it? Let me put the heart back in the box perfectly first. Look at this.
Yeah, let's have it close
Let's
up.
put that down. Let's put Valentina on the stand. It said a S for shop. Shopkins. Shopkins. Oh, we got Belinda before we got Belinda.
Well, we got Belinda.
Belinda. Belinda. We got Belinda before.
Yeah.
And we also got this Valentina. Belinda, Valentina. We not yet get the blue. This one. I want to see.
Well, they got a lot of others. What's the other's name? I don't know.
Oh, the other one. Oh, they also
Let
have
me
this.
check it. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Let's take a look at it. We
Hey,
got.
the cat chocolate. Look at the front.
Wow, we got Valentina.
There's a set in
Belinda,
the
Kiki,
front.
Jaleska, Coratia. Okay.
It's everything in the front. You can look slowly. Can I stay here?
Yeah.
I counted 10 in my
Okay.
heart.
Let me take a close up.
Hey, stay here, Valentina.
Yeah, Valentina.
And this stay here, heart box.
Where's the heart? I didn't find the heart. Where's
It's
the heart?
inside the box.
Okay. Yeah, let's have a take a look at it.
But we don't need the flat eye, boy. Hey, get out. Get out.
You look boring.
Can I not do anything? You're not telling me to do anything right now. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. And like us on Facebook. And follow us on Instagram. Bye.